Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to be showing a practical demonstration of how to add your YouTube thumbnail picture to your YouTube video. So let's get started. Here is my folder and I have some videos here and I've prepared their YouTube thumbnail designs. You can watch my other videos on how to create your YouTube thumbnails. So here I go to my browser and right there on my browser you make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. So in your Gmail account, you go to you click on this button here and go to your YouTube channel. It's coming up. So here we are. So you go to you see that you come here to your channel. So you go into your channel. So here we go. So you upload video and I click on upload video. It's going to take me to my folder where I have my videos stored in the computer. So select a file. So for instance, let's choose how to make simple paper flower. I've selected the video. You can see it's loading up. So it's ready with the title. See, the video is uploading. I had some descriptions. This video teaches how to make simple paper design. Okay. Then this is the basis of this tutorial. The thumbnail, where we had the thumbnail. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, you like and you share to your friends and your loved ones. Thank you. Let's continue. So you click on the upload thumbnail. This is where you upload the picture that appears before your viewers can click on your video. That this is what they will see before clicking your video. So this is after designing the YouTube thumbnail and you've saved it on your system. This is where you are going to upload it. So you can see if you read this, select or upload a picture that shows what's in your video. A good thumbnail stands out and draws viewers' attention. Can you see that? So I click on upload thumbnail and here are the thumbnail designs. So this is the picture I want to use. So I click on it, open. You can see that is it. Can you see the picture? Then you can go further by selecting other onto hard tags and so on for searching. Let me say paper crafts, design, design, paper uh, and so on. So let's move on. Click on next. So click on next. See, it's searching, it's checking if there is a copyright content in your video. Can you see that? Okay, your video has to be real. So let's move on. Is it private or public? I want it to be public. Then you publish. Can you see? That's it. This is how your work is going to show, your video will show to the viewers. See, when they see this, wow, look at this design, how did they make this? So it's going to attract them to click on that video. So I've closed that. So can you see it's coming up? So that is how you upload your thumbnail while trying to upload your YouTube video. Thank you very much, and we'll see in the next video.